Hello, good evening mga lods, mga co-followers, mga friends, mga guys, mga kabady, ka-59 ko dyan. From tonight's video ay may share ko sa inyo about God videos o God song by Sam Smith Notiboy La La La. Pakinggan nyo ang music na yan kung marinig kayo ng mga pagmamak sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Pakinggan nyo. Yan.
About your new messiah, cause your theories catch fire. I can't find no silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough. I'm covering my ears like a kid. When your words mean nothing, I go la la la. I'm turning up the fire when you speak. My heart can't stop it. I'll find a way to rock it. I go.
Yan, kung may naririnig kayo ng mga songs, comment naman dyan sa baba kung may narinig kayo na pagmamag kay God. At yan lang, salamat manonood ng video na to. Bye bye.